my time I'm waiting you to answer the phone. Nothing seems to happen, but the last stage is gone. I hope someday your voice promises.
Hey guys, this is Easy Peasy channel, and today we're gonna see how to replace the motor wind right passenger glass motor. Right here is broken, I already disconnected, so I'm gonna start to take off these 6 screws and then go from there. 2 bolts, 2 nuts, 10 millimeters. It's the same nuts for this guy. So the position of this assembly is gonna be like, I think it's something like that. So this is 2 nuts, 1, 2, and now over here. Yeah, like that. Okay, remove these 2, 10 mils, and now this 4, that's another 10 millimeters. I believe it's the same nuts holding the motor. Let's do it.
How we could have met. Everyone is telling me it's late to complain, 'cause now the games are over, I'm just wrecking with pain. Cages, light of cages to subside.
It would be nice to move it all together. If not, probably need to take and remove these bolts holding the window.
Rage has come, I felt so young, and never called the name you wore. From ash to glow, I fall in love. Distance, we've got distance to blame. Anytime it blows your mind, distances can put on a flame. Loving God that's far, we better keep it apart and find some way. The hardest words to understand, alas so easy to pretend. But everything will ask for an end. The rage has come, I felt so young, and never called the name you wore. From ash to glow, I fall in love. I fall in love. I fall in love. I fall in love. I fall in love.
Okay guys, this is my assembly. Like I said, this is the used part. I bought it, so I'm not gonna take off the window because mine looks kind of better than this one. So I just will replace the motor on the same position. So this Allen wrench right here, not this one.
show this. Do not forget tie these two bolts. Remember, it was initial. These guys. Okay, before you close all this assembly, just make sure your motor works. Plug in your plug, turn off your power,
and make sure your button works. Let's do it. Let's see the window. Yeah. Worked, guys. Woohoo. I made it. Thank you for watching me. That was easy peasy with Dmitry. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
All my time I'm waiting you to answer the phone. Nothing seems to happen, but the last stage is gone. I hope somewhere your voice promises less and us more.